What is the approximate cost, parts and labor, to replace an oven cavity in a Wolf M Series professional double oven? Someone cleaning the oven baked on easy off into the interior.
You just pay a $5 deposit now and the rest only when you get a reply from the appliance technician. All of this is 100% satisfaction guaranteed, so you can get a refund if you're not happy for any reason. Can you guesstimate how old your Wolf is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
DO30PM/S/PH, 30 inches M Series professional built-in double ovens. Was installed in new build construction, May 2015.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. I'm very sorry to hear about the problem you're having with your oven. It's quite a major task to replace the inner oven liner. I see this is a double oven, so I'm not sure if just one oven liner is needed or both, but each oven liner costs about $300 for the part. The labor to replace each liner is about $300 to $400 with trip and labor. Now that's just the oven liner. If the oven inner door is also damaged and the inner door liner needs to be replaced, that would be another $300 or so to have that part replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Tyler, thank you. Fortunately, it is just one of the ovens. We have a local Wolf/Sub-Zero repair group, but I wanted a rough idea of cost before proceeding with them.
Alright, understood, and I'm very sorry to hear about the issue regardless. It's a simple mistake but very expensive.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.